David's gonna break his record.
Again.
Yeah, you better hurry.
I sent a message to Elliot.
Oh no.
William just found out the
Whack. William, I know you stole David's phone. Give it back.
Who could that be?
No, not right now.
I don't know who sent it.
Whoever Whack is.
I think he's.
Maybe
Wait a
Zach
second.
is
I think
Whack.
Whack. What? I think Whack is watching you.
Oh my God, you're right.
It's like from Eagle Eye.
I didn't see Eagle Eye. You gotta fill me in here.
Yeah, I never seen Eagle Eye.
Come on, Whack, send me a message.
How much time do I
I
have
think
left?
that
Whack?
Wax
I mean
away
Zach.
back off. Oh no! From Elliot to read now. Yes. Okay then. See
All right,
you
David.
at Bar Mitt.
Bar mitt. Huh. Mitt. There is no such thing as a mitt.
Can I reply no to Elliot saying, "See you at the bar mitzvah"? Can I?
If you feel so inclined to.
Yay!
Just say William kidnapped me or something. Something true.
Oh, from what? Here we
Yeah, you did it.
Should I probably delete
Go
that
away,
message?
you freaky fish guy!
I am not a freaky fish guy. Zach, what's my time?
Right now you're on 1 minute 35 seconds.
Oh, failure.
No! Oh yeah, I sent a message.
Done!
to-
Done!